I'm being joined by Dr. Gurmeet Kaur, who's been working as a registrar in Psychiatric Diseases Hospital in GMC Jammu, and that empty chair. Dr. Gurmeet Kaur, good evening. This is Arnab here. I hope you can hear me. And that empty...
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dr. Kaur. And that empty chair, actually, the Jammu and Kashmir minister who insulted you, we sent our camera teams to his house. But it seems to me that after the way you've spoken, he's too scared to come and face you. Right, we have put our camera teams out there, but he's too scared to come and face you. But across the entire country, people are so angry, Dr. Kaur, that you are a professional, you're a qualified professional, you're a doctor, a senior professional, you're a registrar in psychiatric diseases, and you have been publicly humiliated like this by a person who's been a minister for just 11 days. Can you tell us briefly, Dr. Kaur, what is the insult that he made you go through, so that people in this country know? And we've been carrying a campaign, Dr. Kaur, against VVIP racism. I feel this is a case of VVIP racism. I want you to tell all the viewers tonight what you went through and what you feel about it.
Thank you very much, Times Now and Mr. Arnab Goswami and all the team. I'm highly obliged by you people are doing wonderful job that you are giving the voice to the voiceless people. Otherwise, I'm a common man who will listen to me, and especially a woman. Nobody is caring about us, and even if we have big slogans of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, and then we have women empowerment and Women's Week and Women's Day. But on the in 8th was the Women's Day and 9th was this incident.
Right.
That what happened there, we were in the old campus of Psychiatric Diseases Hospital. I was working up with my patients there, and I got the news that the new campus is going to be inaugurated and there is some social function. So I finishing my job, and we just went there at 2:30. And it was just from the work to the new campus where the inaugural function, a social function was about there. You must be watching, all people are watching the videos of that.
Sure.
The currency notes were put in the minister's garland. He was garlanded by currency notes. Shameful. And another MLA, Mr. Sat Sharma, was also there, and our most of the doctors and the other public. The general public was there. It was more sort of a public gathering.
Sure.
Or you can say a public function to hand over the hospital. We don't have furniture in the hospital, nothing is there, just rooms, and it was to cut the ribbon, and it was just a political function. Then I also, along with my staff, we were standing on because there was a lot of crowd. We went upstairs where the function was organized, that minister was about to speak some few words. And since I am working for the as a community service provider, and working as a psychiatrist, dealing with the mental health of the people, and especially because our state is very much trouble-born state.
Yes.
There are a lot of mental health issues.
Sure.
And basically I'm being trained from the Nimhans, Bangalore, for in this mental health, and I'm working as a registrar here.
So
I have many experiences with the patient. So I was standing there along with my colleague. He came very arrogantly towards stage. I was just by the side, he asked me, what you are here? So I said, I am a doctor. Then very arrogantly he asked me, where is your apron? So I was a bit shocked. I said, and I was not prepared for this answer, because this is very, why should I wear apron there? So that is, apron is our white coat. So I said, sir, I'm not wearing it because this is a social function. He said, जब मंत्री आता है तो ऑफिशियल फंक्शन होता है, सोशल फंक्शन नहीं होता. Very arrogantly, very like he is king of that place. And I was just stunned because there were so many people. I was really ashamed of all that, and it was like a direct insult to me. And then I said, sir, even if it is an official function, very politely I said, sir, this is not official uniform of a doctor, but And I was like, what to say? Then what he said was, to my dismay and to my shock, he in our language, तुम्हें बुलाया किसने यहाँ पे? And I was also frightened. The lady, the deputy superintendent was standing. I said, she called me. She invited me. चलो, उसने कहा क्यों बुलाया इसको? बोले, she is a staff member. That's why she's been called. So she said. Then he said, okay, हो गया. Just snapping fingers on me. हो गया तुम्हारा काम. निकलो यहाँ से, निकलो बाहर. In full view of public, it was like I was stunned. I just froze to the point and just sat down. Nothing. I couldn't do anything, because I am treating people for promoting positive mental health, and which type of mindset our minister is having by having this thing, VVIP racism, VVIP culture, and having this thing in mind that yes, I am something. And he not only once, he is very much infamous for all these things, for misbehaving with all doctors. Early morning he misbehaved with the doctor Pampori, Rafiq Pampori in Srinagar. He is principal medical college Srinagar, and he insulted him like anything in full view of the public. And similarly, 3-4 days earlier also, he went to one hospital. We have a local hospital, Sarwal. There he insulted a lady doctor by telling her and passing sexist remarks on her that tie your hair. Why your hair are like that?
What?
ये अपने सिर बाल तो बांध के रखो.
What?
And he told the superintendent there that in लड़कियों के बाल बंधवाओ. And the superintendent, out of protest, he gave the protest leave for 1 month and he left the place. He said, this is not my duty to get the hair tied of the ladies. See, this type of the people are Minister of Health and Education Minister, who doesn't know how to behave in public with the ladies, who doesn't know how to behave with the in public with the professionals, with the doctors. And I couldn't sleep for whole of the night. It was just a nightmarish experience for me. In the morning I decided I will stand for it. Somewhere we have to stand, somewhere. And this person is known for all these types of things. If you go back, even I have seen it in some clippings in the previous government when he was minister. He there also misbehaved with the doctors, and he used to call our then principal by the name.
I actually...
And disrespecting him.
You know, we've been talking about the Masrat case. I believe the bigger challenge for a lot of people, by the way, and I want to tell you this incident as you have narrated it, is so shocking that there is no question about it. The BJP has to sack this man. Or they have to make this man come to you and say sorry. And actually, if he had any courage today, this minister would come on the program and face you. But I just want to say one thing to you, ma'am. You know, Dr. Kaur, remember this, that when a citizen speaks up, and when an enlightened citizen, an educated citizen, a professional speaks up and says, I will not take this lying down anymore, I don't need to take this lying down anymore, then these people get scared. You had two options tonight. One option was to keep quiet about it. And the second option was to speak to Times Now about it, because we are up against VVIP racism and we are going to stand by you. And therefore, your decision to speak up makes it impossible for the government to take you on anymore. You as one citizen have stood up to a minister. 3 days back, a young student from IIT, he stood up to Uma Bharti. I'm telling you this, Ms. Dr. Kaur, this is a revolution happening in our country, and emboldened, strong, fearless citizens like you are part of this tremendous movement. Now, there are many people calling tonight. There are many people calling tonight who are proud of you. Right?
I salute Times Now and you for giving voice to we voiceless people. The CM, our CM, because this is a coalition government, PDP and BJP, our CM says this is a matter of BJP.
No,
let Dr. Nirmal Singh talk to him. And why? Why should he talk to you? Our CM?
Can I make
not the CM of J&K?
Can I make the?
Is he not the CM of J&K? He's not a CM of Jammu, why doesn't he speak? Why doesn't he speak? His own daughter is a doctor. He should understand the pain of the doctor, a professional. He himself is such a nice person. He behaves nicely with the professionals. And earlier also he helped so many professionals because from the clutches of this.
Well, Dr. Kaur, the national spokesperson of the BJP is with us tonight, right? श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, आपने जो सारा जो ये हादसा हुआ है, इसके बारे में आपने सुना है? आपके भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वहाँ पे वो मंत्री है, आप BJP के spokesperson and national secretary है. What would you like to say? And you know, all across the country, people are calling times now and they want action against the minister. What would you say to Dr. Gurmeet Kaur, the way she has been insulted by your BJP minister in Jammu and Kashmir? श्रीकांत शर्मा जी हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन है, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आपको डॉक्टर कौर? श्रीकांत जी।
अर्नब
जी मैं सुनना चाहती हूं।
सबसे पहले तो मैं जो भी डॉक्टर गुरमीत कौर के साथ मिसबिहेव भी हुआ है उसके लिए मैं राष्ट्रीय सचिव हूं बीजेपी का, मैं उनसे माफ़ी मांगता हूं कि आपके साथ जो भी हुआ है वो गलत हुआ है और उसके लिए मैं पर्सनल तौर पर आपसे माफ़ी चाहता हूं और आगे से इस तरह की घटनाएं ना हों इसके लिए भी मैं आश्वस्त करता हूं और हम निश्चित रूप से इस विषय में बातचीत करेंगे, लाल सिंह जी से बातचीत करेंगे कि हमको वहाँ जिम्मेदारी मिली है लोगों की मदद करने की। लोगों को इंसल्ट करने का कोई अधिकार किसी के पास नहीं है। अपना जो काम आपको दिया गया है ईमानदारी से वो काम करिए। हाँ, प्रशासन ठीक से काम करेगा लेकिन आप ठीक से व्यवहार करेंगे लोगों के साथ तो सब लोग आपके साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे।
धन्यवाद सर मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ इस माध्यम के उससे कि हमारे डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह वहाँ पे है, वो मेरे टीचर रहे हुए हैं, मैंने उनसे पढ़ा हुआ है। मैं तो ये परेशान हूँ कि वो कहाँ चुप हैं, वो क्यों चुप हैं? Where is Dr. Jitendra Singh? Where is Dr. Nirmal Singh, who are literate people? And why you have given ministry to such a person who doesn't know how to speak to professionals? Why not to the educated people?
Dr. Gurmeet Kaur.
Why we the most cream of the society are doctors. We are being thrashed by these types of people who don't know how to speak in public. Sir, I am very much thankful at least you acknowledged my distress. And sir, please, I request you, please tell this, it is not for the first time that this minister has done this.
Dr. Gurmeet Kaur.
जी
डॉक्टर गुरमीत कौर, आप बिल्कुल अच्छे से काम करिए, कहीं भी किसी से किसी भी तरीके के दबाव में कोई आने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिल्कुल आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप अच्छे से काम करिए, कहीं किसी भी तरह की कोई दिक्कत आपको नहीं आएगी। डेफिनेटली हम लोग लाल सिंह जी से बात करेंगे, आगे से ना हो इसका भी हम लोग आश्वस्त
निकाली गई है। सर मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ, आज मेरे को और ज़्यादा एम्बैरस किया गया है। आज मेरी एक्सप्लेनेशन निकाली गई है और मैं जैसे ही हॉस्पिटल पहुँची वहाँ पे जो डिप्टी सुपरिटेंडेंट थी, आपने अभी उनको देखा है, डॉक्टर उस्मानी, ऑन द बिहेस्ट ऑफ मिनिस्टर, उसने मेरे को इतना इंसल्ट किया है इन फुल व्यू ऑफ पब्लिक और इतने ऊंचे बात की है कि आपने मीडिया में क्यों बात किया, आपने ये क्यों किया, मीडिया तो तेरे पे थू कर रहा है। अगर इफ़ आई एम स्टैंडिंग फॉर माई राइट, शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ लेडी डॉक्टर, she should also understand.
My point is, Dr. Kaur, on your behalf, one second. I think our issue right now is with the minister. I'm going to take one caller.
Yes,
and I think I will follow. No, watch.
I'm being pressurized.
We'll personally follow it up with Mr. Shrikant Sharma, who's made an assurance that the BJP should take some action against the minister concerned. Dr. Qureshi is calling in from Srinagar. He wants to say something. Dr. Qureshi, good evening. Dr. Qureshi. Dr. Qureshi, are you there? Okay, we have another caller from Jammu. Navdeep is calling in from Jammu. Navdeep, are you there? Would you like to say something to Dr. Kaur? We're not getting through to our callers. I'll try. Dr. SP Singh from Jammu. Are you there, Dr. Singh?
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
जी बोलिए. You want to say something, Dr. Singh?
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो मिस्टर लाल सिंह जी हैं,
जी
हेलो,
जी कहिए।
हाँ, इनका जो बैकग्राउंड है, अगर आप स्क्रूटिनाइज करेंगे इनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, और ये पिछले लास्ट टेन्योर में भी इनका एक ही एम था कि डॉक्टरों को कैसे डिमोरलाइज करना, कैसे उनको बदतमीजी से पेश आना। ये हाईली अनएजुकेटेड पर्सन है जिसको इतना बड़ा प्रोफेशन ये डिपार्टमेंट दे दिया गया है और फॉर द लास्ट 2 decades 3 decades आप स्क्रूटनाइज करना कि हेल्थ और मेडिकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट सबसे जो किसको कुछ नहीं पता उसको ये डिपार्टमेंट दे दिया जाता है।
डॉक्टर सिंह,
डिपार्टमेंट को सुधारने के बजाय ये क्या करते हैं कि डॉक्टर्स को बदतमीजी से पेश आते हैं और एक वेज क्रिएट किया जाता है between public and the doctors.
Well, Dr. Singh, this is an opportunity actually. This is an opportunity actually to put the minister in his place. I wish he had the courage to come on the program, but he clearly doesn't. Dr. Gurmeet Kaur for speaking, Shrikant Sharma for your point of view and your expression of solidarity. I thank you, and I'll see if the minister can be followed up with. I would like to have a word with him as well. Thank you for joining me on this conversation, and more power to you. Thank you very much.
Thank
you.